Hello, my name is Pooja Shaha. My ID number is 105. I am from ICFA University. My subject is Gender, School and Society. Today my topic is sexual law reforms in India. Sexual law reforms in India have played a crucial role in shaping a more just, equitable society. Over the years, these reforms have aimed the addresses deep-rooted issues related to gender-based violence, discrimination, and the lack of legal protections for vulnerable communities. By introducing progressive changes in the legal system, these laws not only seek to safeguard individuals' rights but also promote gender equality and ensure justice for all, regardless of identity or background. Criminal Law Act. Post Nirbhaya case, boardinant definition of rape, introduced offense, stalking, etc. Enhanced punishments. Workplace Harassment Act 2013. The Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act. Prohibition and redressal. Covers women and transgender person. Online harassment included. Gender natural proposals. Need a gender natural language in laws. Equal protection for all genders, including men and women. Debates on expanding rape laws beyond binary gender. Challenges and criticism. Implementation gaps, social stigma, need for better legal awareness and sensitivity. Last point is limited gender natural framework. Way forward. Legal education and awareness, strengthening gender natural provision. First track, third point is first track courts for sexual violence case. Fourth point is inclusive curriculum on gender and rights. Conclusion is sexual law reforms in India represent a vital step toward building a safer and more inclusive society. While significant progress has been made through various legislative challenges, continuous efforts are still needed to ensure proper implementation and awareness. True reforms lie not just in changing laws but changing mindsets, fostering respect, equality and justice for all, regardless and gender and orientation. Thank you.